Okay, my friends, so let's get some solutions. Well, to what we can. Some of these are going to be free response, so there's not much we can answer. But we can at least get through the first four or so. I gave you three statements. 333 comes from the album Reinventing Axl Rose. 333 is in the musical key of C, and 333 is Against Me's best song. Some folks, well, we'll get into that later. One of these statements is logically true, one is logically false, and one is not logical. So many people took issue with this because this letter B was telling you, well, how am I supposed to know about musical keys? Well, the answer is you don't have to, actually. If you can establish which one of these statements is true or false or not logical, you can process of elimination remove two, and therefore the third one has to be whatever's left. So let's ignore that one for now and just go with 333 comes from the album Reinventing Axl Rose. So let's look at the album Against Me, Reinventing Axl Rose. All right, there we go. Reinventing Axl Rose track listing. Let's take a look. Pints of Guinness make you strong. The politics of starving. Well, look at that. Look at that. 333 is not on there. So, looking back to this, we know this is a false statement. It's either true or false. It's either true or false. Can't be both. This is a false statement because it does not come from the album Reinventing Axl Rose. So let's look at other Against Me albums. Let's look at album Against Me 333. All right, Against Me 333. Okay, 333 song Wikipedia. It's got its own page. That's kind of cool. 333 is a song by Against Me. It was released in 2016 from the 7th album, Shapeshift With Me. That's the album it comes off of, Shapeshift With Me, which we actually, therefore, we've now answered number 2 and 3. Number 2, A is false. 3, the counterexample is it comes off of Shapeshift With Me, not Reinventing Axl Rose. Boom! We got 2 and 3 done. All right. I know some of you didn't like this one, so we'll skip it, and we'll just look at 333 is Against Me's best song. Well, hopefully that was a good tee-off. Best song is not logical. It's an opinion. It's not a statement. Well, I guess it's a statement. It's a non-logical statement. You can argue this all day long. Best. What does best mean? There's no metric for best. You could argue that I Was a Teenage Anarchist is Against Me's best song. I'd love to have that argument with anybody, actually. These are kind of fun, but they're sure not true or false. They're opinion. So, not logical. 4, not logical, would be C. C's not logical. A's false. C's not logical. That means B must be true, because I asked you which one's logically true. Now, those of you that tried to find it, musical key 333 Against Me. I only included this because I was actually able to find it in a couple links down here, and I mean I play the guitar, so I knew it was in the key of C. But there are a couple links that I was able to find that actually said what musical key it was in. Somebody put it's not in C, it's in C major, which I thought was great, and I gave whoever that was full credit for that answer, because that definitely is not 100% clear if you're not a musician. But anyway, so 1 through 4, I think we got it. There's your false statement, there's your true statement, and there's your non-logical statement in C. Honestly, 5 through 9, it really depended on what you said for true and false, and it's pretty tricky. It's pretty tricky to do that. And number 10, I was pretty generous with letting this one go because we're learning logic, and it's not always the easiest thing. But the idea of making an if-then statement false. So I'll make one up for you now. If I smash myself in the face with my Hydro Flask that I am holding in my hand right now, then my nose will break. Okay, there's an if-then statement. If I smash myself in the face with this Hydro Flask, then my nose will break. Making that false would be smashing myself in the face with the Hydro Flask and not breaking my nose. So you see what I did there? I did the if part, and I didn't do the then part. As long as you did that, I gave you the point for that one. All right. So a little bit twitchy for sure. And we got some projects to firm these ideas up, but that's next week and the week after. We'll catch you soon and hope this helped.